Here we have my old MacBook. It's a 2023 MacBook Pro. And today we're going to be throwing it from the balcony. We're going to see if it survives. As you can see, it's on right now. No, I'm not lying. This is the same MacBook. As you can see, here we go. So in 3, in 2, in 1. Oh my God. And there's the MacBook. We got some horrible denting. Does the MacBook still turn on? No, it does not. Wait, never mind, it still works. We're gonna go back up and do it again. We'll give it a little force to start. Oh, so here's the MacBook. Does it still turn on? I'm not very surprised. And that's what the MacBook looks like when it's closed. Anyway, subscribe for more. Little bit of an update. It's actually on again, but I'm not gonna go outside, so